Influence of art. Topic: in the green. Artistic and spiritual sigils. Eco-centric laws that protect the earth. Enjoy the creation of this sigil about the eco-centric laws we have created as humans to ensure no harm comes to the earth from human evolution. It supports eco-importance to industries' call to change and improve to support sustaining the earth's best qualities, so we don't drain them or lose them. This is Artistic Sigils, time contemplating the subject to create the image to say and portray what the creator was attempting to say, wish, dream or hope. Protection and positive energy are brought in with color and sparkle. The images represent the true feelings of what the artist sees. Its intelligent work, whether for artistic, spiritual, or magic endeavors, it inspires true emotion that is taken and lives in the art to bring forward the desired effects created through symbolic spiritual and human kinetic energy. Wishes and prayers for some. This piece hopes to see that there are higher powers that prevent the destruction of our universe, the way we endeavored to create laws to protect the earth. That the seeds of plants that naturally repopulate the earthly nature here also exists in the universal Milky Way to spread the seeds of stars to create new planetary logic to ensure the planets can't be destroyed by human endeavors and evolution, peace. There are many different methods for creating and using sigils, both traditional and modern. Some methods rely on spontaneous, intuitive, and artistic expression. Other methods follow a standardized procedure that uses a set of rules to convert the verbal intention of the magic into a pictorial figure. Spiritual sigils are symbols or glyphs that represent specific desires or intentions. They are used in witchcraft and magic to express and actualize the practitioner's intention or will. Here are a few examples of sigils and their meanings. Pentacle, a five-pointed star surrounded by a circle, often associated with protection, balance, and the elements. Ankh, an ancient Egyptian symbol of life and immortality, used for healing and renewal. Triquetra, a three-pointed knot symbolizing the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit, often used for spiritual growth and protection. Once created, sigils can be used as a focus for meditation or as talismans, objects believed to possess magical power that may help to bring about a desired outcome. Thanks for joining us at the Influence of Art.